So we are going to ask you the spellings orally. So each student for 10 words we will ask. So randomly we will ask the spellings from the given words. You should answer properly. If you don't know the answer, just pause. Okay, pass it. Understand what I told you? You are having for 10 marks. Students who got highest marks will be awarded the first prize. Okay, thank you. So from second class, I will call Abhigna.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Abhigna from class 2. D-R-I-N-K drink.
Drive.
D-R-I-V-E drive.
Fault.
F-A-U-L-T fault.
Fancy.
F-A-N-C-Y fancy.
Glory.
G-L-O-R-Y glory.
Heart.
H-A-R-T heart.
Focus.
F-O-C-U-S focus.
Guess.
G-U-E-S-S guess.
Hence.
H-E-N-C-E.
Extra.
E-X-T-R-A extra. Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ikshita. I am studying 3rd class.
Later.
L-A-T-E-R later.
Model.
M-O-D-E-L model.
Layer.
L-A-Y-E-R layer.
North.
N-O-R-T-H north.
Peace. Peace.
P-E-A-C-E peace.
Rapid.
R-A-P-I-D rapid.
Image.
I-M-A-G-E image.
Issue.
I-S-S-U-E issue.
Laser.
L-A-S-E-R laser.
Noted.
N-O-T-E-D noted.
Ikshita got 10 marks.
Something from class first.
Okay, everyone, are you ready? Alert.
A-L-E-R-T alert.
Agree.
A-G-R-E-E agree.
Actor.
A-C-T-O-R actor.
Badly.
D-A-D bad or badly badly.
Daily.
D-A-I-L-Y daily.
Drink.
D-R-I-N-K drink.
Doing.
D-O-I-N-G doing.
Alarm.
A-L-A-R-M alarm.
Arrow.
A-R-R-O-W arrow.
Apple.
F-P-L-E apple.
Okay, 10 out of 10.